Going to be doing a video of unboxing my jewelry box that I got today. And it has ballerinas on it because like dancing is my most favorite thing to do. So it has ballet slippers on the front, some dancers all around the side, and the bottom it's just some pink, and then all the latches and stuff are gold. So the ballerina always spins when you open it, and it doesn't have like any storage. It's just like necklaces and bracelets and rings. It can't really do anything with earrings. And it has a little mirror, and I can take the foam off, and there's a little ballerina with blonde hair spinning on some grass. And it is really pretty, and it says, in the top says "Love to Dance," and this front says "Love to Dance." And so I, instead of using it for jewelry, because I have two huge jewelry boxes, I'm going to use this to keep some of Marielle's stuff, like her velvet gloves, her pearl necklace, and her bracelet. That's really all I have of Marilyn's really special stuff to keep in it. So that is all for today. I hope you liked it. Bye.